Namaste ji. Hope you enjoyed your class. So many questions showering on the group. I will address a few of them. See, when I said that you are cultivating all these ailments in the body, and you said that how come we create cancer for ourselves? See, I'm not saying that you are doing it deliberately, but because you are ignorant about the lifestyle, what actually you are doing when you say healthy food and you pick a diet cola. So your body knows how to process sugar. What is it going to do with the chemicals which are substitute to sugar? Of course, there are lesser calories. These companies, they play smart with you. See, I'm not against any product. I'm just giving an example. Anything that has written diet on it, it means that they have modified it genetically, biologically. They have changed the composition, removing maybe the fat, calories that you are more concerned about, and replaced it with a substitute that feels like that, feels the same. The once upon a time good whipped cream is now being substituted with something like a whipped cream. There is no milk content in it. At least you are having some milk with the goodness of it. Now you are having some chemical paste. I don't even know what it is. So my point is, please focus on this minute details, that what is causing this ailment, what is causing this, all the conditions that you are talking about. It is coming out of your lifestyle, not sitting properly. Many of you sleep with your legs crossed, one knee is always hanging all night, and eventually I said that you are nurturing these ailments yourself. It's not coming from outside, you're creating this from within. Get into the details. The details, what was the word this morning? The devil is in the detail. So go to the details and you will see that where all this coming from. You have a very good approach. You sit in a puja, you sit for meditation, but that one isn't stick. Just think to yourself, is your body designed to breathe in oxygen or smoke? Yes, it feels good, but is it good for you? This small detail. For that matter, even your morning starts the moment you step down on the floor. Phenyl. Go to the washroom. There is, even your flush has some essence in it. Odonil. See, I'm not taking company names, but I'm telling these are all chemical petroleum products. You are inhaling them. You sit in your car. Wait, we are skipping it. Toothpaste, your soap, your face wash. Everything has this thing that smells nice. Now, what is this smell? Are you actually smelling the mogra, the lilies, or it is something that smells like lilies? These are petroleum products that you are inhaling all the time. All your night you spend with that good night on, you are inhaling chemicals meant for killing mosquitoes. Now, what good it is going to do to you? You have to think to yourself. If 24 hours you are surrounded, you wash with this soap with so much, it stays 24 hours on your body. You are inhaling it all the time. Now there are this, ये दिन भर चलता है. What's that perfume? Okay, I don't want to take the names. So these deodorants and sprays, all day long they are with you. You sit in your car and there is this puring machines or scents again. First thing you go to the office is where is the room freshener? You are inhaling toxins and chemicals throughout the day, and then you wonder to yourself, oh, how did the cancer happen? 30, 40 years of your life, you have been surrounding, smelling chemicals throughout the day. Of all the 11,000 liters of air that you process is adulterated with chemicals. Is it doing you good? Is it any good outcome going to come? Is it not you who's nurturing this? Your body is struggling for so many years and still fighting it. Is it not obvious that what's the outcome of this? Think about it. Think about these small things. Don't get me wrong. I'm not against your puja part. Please do your rituals. There's a fantastic way. But initially we used to offer very good stuff in it. Nowadays, chemical camphor. Nowadays we put in everything that is releases more toxins. So get into the detail of your lifestyle, observe your lifestyle. when you fail on all these root levels, then a need of a doctor arises.